So you want to switch Google Docs over to dark mode on your computer. I'll walk you through how to do that right now. Here's the catch though. Google Docs doesn't actually have its own dark mode setting you can turn on directly in Chrome. You need a little add-on, an extension, to make it happen. Okay, let's jump in. Start by opening up Google Chrome on your PC. Go ahead and search for the Chrome Web Store. When the results come up, just click on that first link that says Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in Google Docs Dark Mode and press Enter. So from the search results, find the extension called Google Docs Dark Mode and click on it. Then, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A little window will pop up asking if you're sure, so go ahead and click Add Extension there too. You should get a quick message letting you know the extension was added successfully. Awesome. Now, all you need to do is head back to Google Docs. Open a fresh document, or if you already have one open in another tab, just refresh that page. And there you go. Dark mode should be up and running. You'll have a faded moon icon on the upper right side. If you hover over it, a whole menu will open. You can switch to light mode by clicking Moon. By clicking the page icon under it, dark mode of only that page will be active. That's really all there is to it. Pretty simple, right? Hopefully, this makes those late-night writing sessions a bit less harsh on your eyes. If you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to my channel.